Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on CUBOT X70. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. And here click skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.